Hey guys, just want to show y'all a little something. My next thing I've been working on to finish the pants and all that, but I had to work on this issue in the back of the top. I know I had some rust back here, but anyway, I opened it up, took the tack strip out, and removed it. It was in pieces attached to the end of this top. So anyway, and here's what I found. We got some pitting in here, rust, some holes. But anyway, and the worst is over there. The middle ain't that bad, and the channel here is not that bad either. The channel going down. That's it right there. Okay. Goes down. Goes down, drains all your water. This is the worst spot over here though. Worst spot. Right here. And that was on the corner right here. And there were some problems over here. Had a rust hole in the trunk where water had come through. And got on the trunk and rusted out in there. And of course, also, you know, I had to patch this down here. This fender was rusted out. So anyway, so that's what I'm working on now. I'm just going to cut out this stuff and patch it, clean it up, and I'm going to treat this with some PO 15. And I'm going to clean it up best I can. I'm going to cut it and put new metal. And I looked at a replacement for one of these, but to replace it, of course, you got to take out this little panel there. You got to take out that panel, open it up, and get in there and cut that thing out, and then you got to. It welds back in up to the top of the fenders and everything. So I decided I'm just gonna work on it best I can from up here and clean that up and patch it, and we're gonna fix it up. All right, wow, Christ is King.